Andrea Renee, and today I am here to do another hair review for you guys. But before I start, if you guys are interested in this makeup look that I am wearing right now, then make sure you check out the tutorial. I just filmed it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, so I will link that down below in the description box or up above if it is uploaded. If not, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe so you can get the notification for the upload when I do put the video up. So just to get into this video, I was sent some hair by a company known as Mslula. Now they did reach out to me to review their hair. So this is a pre-made wig, so I did not have to construct a wig, you guys. I am loving these companies and these pre-made wigs because it just makes life so much easier for me because I do not have to construct my own wig, so I am loving it. So they sent me a pre-made lace closure wig. This is the Italy curl in the inches 16 inch. So this is a 250% density wig, and it is only a closure wig, so it is not a frontal, it is not a full lace wig, it is a lace closure wig, meaning that it only has a closure, and that is all. That's the only area that you can part, and it looked like realistic scalp. So just to make you guys aware of that, it is not the full frontal where you can wear the edges out and everything like that. Now the wig does come with combs. It came with 4 combs and adjustable straps. I am using the adjustable straps and the comb in the back just to secure the wig down. That is the only comb that I tend to use, is that back comb. So far so good, you guys. You can see the hair before I wet it. Now I did use water. I used a spray bottle with water. It didn't have conditioner in it this time, so I put water on the hair, and when it dried, it seemed like it was a little poofy still, so I did use a little bit of product on this wig. I did use my Care defining custard. I love this stuff. It smells absolutely amazing. It's so expensive though. It's like 16 plus for just this, but I think it's well worth it. But it did help tame the curls a lot because this is 250% density hair, so it is really full. The last wig that I reviewed was 150% density, so it's a huge difference this time. But I'm here for it, you guys. I love full hair, I love curly hair, so I'm not objecting to the fullness, but I did need a little bit of extra help to contain the curl, so the hair wouldn't get poofy so quickly. So I do feel that you do need product with this hair, but it is a very beautiful curl, you guys. Like very tight, very soft hair. Now I did get a little bit of shedding, not drastic, but running my fingers through the hair, I did get a couple strands. No tangling, so that was good, but slight shedding. It did come with a pre-made middle part. It wasn't all the way straight, so I kind of made it straight, and I just kind of made a little bit of baby hair. But I knew I was going to switch the wig so you guys could see it as a side part and a middle part, so I didn't really want to secure the wig down with got to be glued and all of that, and I knew I was going to change it up. So definitely if you're going to wear this without taking it off, then of course you could go ahead and secure that down. You can use my method, and if you guys would like to see that, check out my latest install video. But because I am going to show you guys some different angles of the part, I am not securing the wig down, so I just kind of camouflaged it a little bit. It isn't the best, but it will work for the purpose. So far so good, you guys. I really like this hair. I'm thinking about cutting some layers in it because it does appear to all be one length, so it is like all kind of like just stopping here. I mean, it's a little layer look a little bit right there, but not much, so it all looks to be like the same length. Like It looks like you could, you know, frame it around your face a little bit. I think this wig would look really, really pretty with some highlights at the end. If you were to bleach it at the end, I think it would look absolutely gorgeous. But this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. So far so good. And if you guys saw, they did send flexi rod, a wig cap, and some bobby pins with the wig, so that was very nice of them to include all of that. But if you guys are interested in this wig, I will link all of their information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you are subscribed. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.